Let's talk about Nomad versus Kubernetes. First, let's look at Nomad and its top 5 features. Firstly, we have job scheduling and deployment. Nomad provides a powerful job scheduling system that allows you to define tasks and resource requirements for your applications or workloads. It handles the deployment and the scheduling of jobs across the cluster, ensuring that your tasks are efficiently allocated to available resources. Nomad supports multitask jobs, allowing you to run multiple related tasks within a single job specification. This feature is useful for running microservices or interconnected components. Additionally, you can use multi group jobs to run sets of related tasks that can be scaled independently. Personally speaking, this is my favorite feature. Nomad is not limited to just running containerized workloads. It supports a wide range of task types, including Docker, containers, VMs, and standalone executables. This flexibility makes it suitable for both modern containerized applications and traditional monolithic applications. I think this really sets Nomad apart from Kubernetes. Nomad also includes an auto scaler feature that can automatically adjust the number of running instances based on defined metrics or policies. This allows you to efficiently scale your applications up or down in response to changes in demand. And finally, Nomad, being a HashiCorp product, integrates seamlessly with HashiCorp Console, a service mesh and service discovery tool. This integration provides service discovery and health checks, enabling Nomad to route traffic to healthy instances and provide a more robust and resilient application architecture. Okay, now let's do the same thing for Kubernetes, looking at its top 5 features. Kubernetes is a powerful container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure and provides a consistent API for deploying and managing containers. Kubernetes offers built-in service discovery and load balancing mechanisms. It automatically assigns a stable IP address and DNS name to each service, allowing other services to discover and communicate with them without knowing their exact locations within the cluster. Kubernetes enables horizontal scaling of application instances through simple scaling commands or by setting up auto-scaling policies. This allows applications to respond dynamically to changes in demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization and improved performance. Kubernetes continuously monitors the health of application components and automatically restarts or replaces unhealthy containers. If a node becomes unhealthy, Kubernetes can reschedule affected pods to healthy nodes, ensuring high availability. And Kubernetes supports rolling updates, enabling seamless updates to applications without downtime. Kubernetes supports rolling updates, enabling seamless updates to applications without downtime. It gradually replaces old instances with new ones, ensuring the application remains available throughout the update process. Additionally, Kubernetes allows for easy rollbacks in case of issues during the update. But which one is best? Is there such thing as best in this situation? Both tools seem to be very similar in their capabilities. Well, here are 5 things to consider. With regards to the ecosystem and scope, HashiCorp Nomad is a simpler and lightweight orchestrator designed primarily for the job of scheduling and task execution. It focuses on running a diverse set of workloads, including containers, virtual machines, and standalone applications, making it versatile for both modern and traditional applications. On the other hand, Kubernetes is a more comprehensive container orchestration platform that manages containerized applications, scaling, networking, and storage. It has a broader ecosystem with a wide range of tools and extensions, making it well suited for complex microservices architectures and cloud native applications. When it comes to ease of use and the learning curve, Nomad's design emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. Its configuration files are more straightforward, making it easy for beginners to get started. The learning curve for Nomad is generally considered to be less steep versus other options such as Kubernetes. With regards to the ease and use of Kubernetes, well, Kubernetes has a steeper learning curve due to its comprehensive feature set and complex YAML-based configuration files. While it offers robust capabilities, it may require more time and effort to master. Nomad uses a flexible and pluggable scheduler that supports various scheduling strategies, including bin packing, spread, and affinity-based strategies. It can efficiently allocate resources across the cluster while supporting mixed workloads. When it comes to resource allocation and scheduling, Kubernetes uses a declarative API and a more opinionated scheduler. It excels at managing large scale containerized applications and includes features like affinity and anti affinity, node selectors, and custom resource definitions, also known as CRDs, for advanced scheduling. Nomad has a much broader range of supported workloads because it is designed to run a wide variety of workloads, including Docker containers, Java applications, Windows executables, and more. It supports both short lived batch jobs and long running services. And Kubernetes is primarily focused on managing containerized workloads. It has become the de facto standard for running containerized applications, especially for cloud native and microservices based deployments. While Nomad provides a REST API and various plugins for integration with external systems, its ecosystem is generally smaller compared to Kubernetes. It may have fewer pre-built integrations for certain tools and cloud providers. Kubernetes, on the other hand, has a vast and thriving ecosystem with a rich set of integrations, extensions, and third-party tools. It supports multiple container runtimes, various networking plugins, storage options, and has strong integration with cloud providers. But which one is best? Both options are tools and have specific use cases. Sometimes one is better than the other, but not always. Kubernetes is actually the overall winner. Ultimately, there is more to just the technology itself. Kubernetes is actually the overall winner. Ultimately, there is more to just the technology itself. Kubernetes is the more mature option for one, but it has economic weight behind it as well. There are more people who know Kubernetes and there are more people contributing to it. That means hiring people who know Kubernetes is going to be a lot easier for your organization. As cool as Nomad is, it simply does not have the economic and market weight that Kubernetes does. And with that in mind, businesses are best using Kubernetes over Nomad. Eventually, Nomad will catch up. But if you're looking at this from the perspective of getting a job, then Kubernetes is going to be the best way for you to go. Thanks for watching.